Hello, welcome back, everyone. My name is William Majak. I am a Dinka native speaker. Today, we are going to learn very important things, and these important things is greeting in Dinka language. Greeting in Dinka language. And before we go to basic greeting in Dinka language, we have to know the term words for greeting. This term word or this term word, you will see them later and when we go to the basic greeting, but you have to know this one. And the term word, the first term word we have to know in Dinka language greeting is pial. Pial. Pial mean well or fine. When someone asks you in Polgo, that means he's asking you, are you well? And you will reply, I'm okay, I'm fine. That is how you reply. Pial, pial, gup, 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 crutch, 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 tor, 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 diet, 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 pandun, 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 panda, 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 pandun, panda, coach, 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 aliu, 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 a la i u, a la i u, aliu, aliu, atau, 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 a ta a u, atau, atau, luai, luai, la u o i, la u o i, luai. A quick recap. Pial mean well or fine. Pial. Gop. Gop mean body. Your body. That's gop. When someone say pial gop, that means the wellness or of the body. That means your body is in good health. Karaj. Karaj means something bad thing or something bad thing. Bad thing like Thor in Dinka. In English is fighting. People are fighting. Thor. Diet. Diet. Diet giving birth. Pandun. Pandun is your home. Your home. Panda. Panda. Panda is our home. It's a plural. Our home. Coach. Coach. Ka. Coach mean people. Singular is ran. Aliu. Aliu. Aliu is not there. Something which is not there. It is absent. Atau. Atau. Something that is there and is present. For example, John. John Aliu. John Aliu Panabun. John Aliu Panabun. John Aliu Panabun means John is not in the school. John is absent in the school. John Atau Panabun. John is in the school. John, that means John is present in the school. Luai, work or job. Now let us go to the basic greeting in Dinka language. This one you have to learn them very well, so that when you come to South Sudan, it will be easy for you to integrate and to greet people in Dinka language. Very simple. These are the basic greeting. Here we go. The first one is Chi yi back, Chi yi back, Chi yi back, Chi yi back, Chi yi back. Or in Dinka Malwal, we greet people Baru, Madu, and Inpol. Baru is specifically for Dinka Malwal, but you don't have to mind about it. It's just there to show you another way of greeting in Dinka language. Baru, if you say Baru, that means Chi back. It's like, how are you? Or good morning, how are you? Or good morning. You find someone on the way or at home, you say, how are you? Good morning is a greeting in the morning. People are waking up and you find people along the road say, how are you? Good morning. Then someone will reply, and back, and back, and back, and back. That means I am fine. I am fine. I am well. I'm in good health. That is and back, and back. Apadu is another way of replying Baro, Apadu, and I'm also fine. Pial Gup, Pial Gup, Pial Gup. You see the question mark is here. Pial Gup, Pial Gup is like asking somebody, is your body well? Is your body well? Are you in good health? Did you wake up well? Are you fine? How are you? The same is greeting, yeah. Pialgop is actually back. Pialgop, Pialgop. When someone tell you Pialgop, it means is your body well? It's asking you, are you in good health? Is your body well? Then you reply, and apple gop, and apple gop, and apple gop, and apple gop. I am quite well. It doesn't mean to put quite yet, but you say I'm well or I am unwell. So if you are unwell, you come here and atwine, and atwine, and atwine, and atwine mean I am sick or I am unwell. I am sick or I am unwell. That is an atwine. Twine means sickness. Atwine is I am sick. And mean I am. Like and I am. You see, and is like, yeah, and I am, and and at one, I'm sick or I am unwell. Another greeting is chachol, 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 good afternoon or good evening. Good afternoon, good evening, good afternoon, good evening mean chachol, chachol. Then you reply the person, and achichol, and achichol, and achichol. That means my day was good. My day was good. My day was good. And achichol, chachol, and achichol. Or you can reply the person by saying Kirach Aliu, Kirach Aliu, Kirach Aliu. Kirach Aliu mean nothing but. Nothing but, we get it before in the vocabulary. Aliu means absent. Kiraj is bad thing. Kiraj Aliu, nothing but. Yeah. Someone asks you, Shachol, how was your day? Or good evening. Then you reply, Kiraj Aliu, there is nothing but. Or Kiraj at all. Or an at one. That's how you reply. These are the basic greeting in Dinka. And we continue with others. Yeah. Shinkrach, 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 Shinkrach. You see the question mark. Shinkrach is like no bad news. Is there any bad news? Shinkrach. Krach means something bad. Shinkrach. You are asking the person. Shinkrach. No bad news. Then the person will reply, Krach Aliu. Krach Aliu. Krach Aliu. There is no bad news. There is no bad news. Or there is nothing but. Nothing but. All is good. Yes. All is good. All is good. Thank God. Yes. Krach Aliu overall fat. Nyali bullet. Nyali book donga malay. We'll give thanks to God. Yeah, because we are in good health, nothing bad. Or Krach Atau Tin. Krach Atau Tin. Krach Atau Tin. This is another reply in Krach. You will reply Krach Aliu, there is nothing but no bad news. Or Krach Atau Tin. Atau is something that is present. Something that is there. Krach Atau Tin. There is bad news. You see, there is bad news. Ah, then your friend is going to get surprised. What is that news? What happened? Tell me please. There is bad news. Then you will reply, Coach Achitor, Coach Achitor, Coach Achitor. That means people have fight. People have been fighting. People have been fighting in our area since morning, my dear friend. That is bad things that happen in our area. Coach Achitor. Tor, tap, or. Tor means fighting. Fight in Dinka language. Coach Achitor. Oh. Then the person may be sympathized by crying chicken. Nyala buwek tit. Nyala buwek tit. Nyala buwek yek door. God will protect you guys. God will give you peace if there is fighting. You see, that's the good thing of Dinka language. Nyala buwek door kache. Nyala buwek yatit. Kulu daman. God will protect you every time. God will bring peace to you, my people. That's the good things. Shin Kiraj, no bad news. Kiraj Aliu, there is no bad news. Kiraj Atotin, there is bad news. Koch Achitor, people have fought. There is bad news because Koch Achitor, people have fought. Koch Achitor, people have fought. Si Koch Pandun back. Si Koch Pandun back. Si Koch Pandun back. And when we go back in our vocabularies, we see that coach, this one, coach mean people, pandun, pandun, pa, ana, da, una. Pandun mean your home, your house, your country is like pandun. Back, well, are the people in your village good? Are the people in your home good? Are the people in your house good? Are the people in your country good? Are they well? How are the people of your village? Simply like that. How are the people of your village or home or your country or your house or your side or your location? Anything you can say. Chikot Pandun back when you want to greet all the people in certain village. Chikot Pandun back. Then you will reply the person by Coach Panda Achi back. Coach Panda Achi back. Coach Apple Group. Coach Panda Achi back, or you say Coach Apple Group. In simple, Coach Apple Group. Coach mean people. Apple Group. Paul, we get it before is fial. Paul fine or well. They are well or they are fine. They are well or they are fine. Very simple. Coach Panda Achi back. Coach Panda Apple Group. Si Coach Pandun back. How are the people of your village or your home? Coach Panda Achi back. Coach Apple Group. You see the plural here. Apple Group. Coach Apple Group. A is a plural to show that coach. You can you don't mean run. If it is run, you put one here. If it is two or more people, you say to show the plural. Coach Panda sheep back. Coach Paul Group. They are all well. Loidu le twing kedi. Loidu le twing kedi. Loidu le twing kedi. How is your work going on? How is your work going on? You are asking someone who is working young. How is your work going on? Loidu le twing kedi. Loi, we get it before is job or work. Loidu do yours, something that is yours. Loidu le twing kedi. How is your work going on? Loidia ala twing apap. This is your reply to the person who asks you Loidu le twing kadi. You reply by saying Loidia ala twing apap. Loidia ala twing apap. My work is going on well. My work is going on well. Loi du loi dia ala twing apat. Apat mean good or well. Twing is going ahead, going on, something that is going on ahead. Loi dia ala twing apat, my work is going on well. Chitik diet, chitik diet, chitik diet, tik diet. You can say chitik diet or tik diet. Is the wife give birth? Did the wife give birth? Did the wife give birth? Did the woman give birth? Did the woman give birth? Yeah, chitik diet is a question mark. Chitik diet. Then you reply tik diet. Tik diet. Tik diet. Yeah, the wife has given birth. You see, the wife has given birth or the woman has given birth. We can use tik like woman or wife. You can use any. Tik chitik did. Is the wife did the wife give birth? Tik did. The wife has given birth. Tik did. Tik did. We find tik is a wife or woman. Did is birth. Very simple. Alright, thank you, William Majak Malek Deng Ditch Ran Pyo Tongjang. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ben Yalish Week Dodge. May God bless you all. Ben Yalish Week Dodge. May God bless you all. Nyalish mean God. Wake you all. Dodge blessing. Dodge is a blessing. This one Dodge bless. And this one Nyalish. Nyalish na. This the same word na. I a la icha. Na I a la isha. Nyalish mean God. God. That is it. So our next lesson is going to be introduce yourself in Dinka language. Introduce yourself in Dinka language. This will be very amazing, fantastic Dinka language. If you want to know how to introduce yourself to the visitors or to others in Dinka language, this is the right time for you to wait for this lesson. I promise you, you are going to like it. You will love it. I know. Abanyar ko in be a proud lana. They in another language. You know another language called Dinka. This is the end of our topic today, and please, I promise you, I will bring the next video that will be talking about how to introduce yourself in Dinka language. And if you are new here, please, what you need to do to help my YouTube channel to go on or to progress, subscribe. Press you subscribe, then you turn on the notification so that when I upload the video you get them. And third, you have to like and share our video, because when you like our video or share our video, you are sharing them to other people, or YouTube is going to recommend our videos to other people, so that we learn as a group, as a community, and like that. It's good we spread our language so that other people can learn it. It's a very good language, fantastic language, a common local language in South Sudan, whereby you one day, inshallah, God bless you to come to South Sudan, you can speak with the local community, especially Dinka community. You will be in a good position to greet people, introduce yourself in Dinka language. Is this not a good opportunity for you? And I brought these videos to you for free in YouTube. What you need to do is to watch them, like, comment, and share. And before I end this video, if you have any other word for greeting in Dinka, please comment or put them in the comment section. I will make another video for the greeting again. Yes, to add the other greeting that we did not find here and how we reply them. That will be good. And this is the end of our video today. Thank you everyone. God bless you all. Bye.